Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this Xiaomi. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down right away. Then select Notifications and Control Center. After that, you need to tap on App Notifications, choose Sort By, and pick the best option for you. I will go with Number of Notifications. Sorry, misclick. Now tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block them. I will go with Google Play Store. You can enable them by tapping on the same, now grey switcher. If you wish to, you can always select one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!